Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Explorer.exe not starting when you start Windows 11. So first, you have to make sure that your Windows update is up to date. So you check for updates, and when you make sure that there are no updates, you can continue this tutorial. So you're gonna come up here to search and type cmd, run as administrator, and when you're here, you're gonna paste the two commands I'll be leaving in the description. When the verification is complete, you can now go ahead and copy the second command and paste it here. Then you have to wait. So when it's completed, you can now close this and you just have to restart your computer and the problem should be solved.